Can I change my network security key?
In this video, we'll discuss whether you can change your network security key, why you might want to, and how to do it.
What is a network security key?
A network security key is a password or passphrase used to secure a wireless network, preventing unauthorized access. It is usually associated with Wi-Fi Protected Access, WPA, or Wired Equivalent Privacy, WEP, protocols.
Can I change my network security key?
Yes, you can change your network security key. It's a good practice to change your key periodically to ensure your network remains secure.
Why should I change my network security key?
There are several reasons to change your key. 1. Security. Changing the key regularly helps protect your network from unauthorized access. 2. Device removal. If you want to remove a device from your network, changing the key ensures the device can no longer connect. 3. Network management. Changing the key can help you manage devices connected to your network.
How do I change my network security key?
To change your network security key, follow these steps. 1. Access your router's admin panel. You'll need to enter your router's IP address into a web browser and log in using your admin credentials. 2. Navigate to the wireless settings. Look for a section called Wireless or Wi-Fi settings. 3. Locate the security settings. Within the wireless settings, you'll find a subsection for security settings, such as WPA or WEP. 4. Change the network security key. Here, you'll find an option to change your network security key. Enter a new, strong password and save the changes. 5. Update connected devices. After changing the key, you'll need to update the password on all devices connected to your network. Changing your network security key is a simple process that can help you maintain a secure and well-managed wireless network. Be sure to update the key on all connected devices to maintain network access.